I originally went in to get a car loan to buy a new 4-drive.
So I remember being at work and texting Justin, say, "Oh, so how'd you go with the car? Like, are you getting your new 4-drive? Oh no, look, how do you feel about a house? Oh, it's maybe a conversation we should have at home like later tonight, but yeah, cool."
Michael was helpful. Like, he took me through everything and showed me what I would be paying for and steered me in the right direction to make the right choices.
He was really patient too. Like, if he said something and you didn't quite get it, he'd just explain it again. He was great.
Pointed out like how much money you're kind of wasting paying rent rather than you could be paying a home loan for the same amount of money. We waited till the market kind of went up a little bit and got the house revalued after we added some extensions on the house, and we built a large entertaining area out the back that we did ourselves and did a lot of concreting, landscaping, fences and
painting the walls. Yeah, the biggest one would be the entertainment area.
So with Justin and Katie using the family pledge loan, not only were they able to buy a home a lot sooner using mum and dad's houses as their equity for the deposit, after a period less than 2 years, the property value has increased enough that they can now pay out mum and dad's loan, so they're now financially independent. The bonus with that was when we did a new valuation on the property, they had also had enough equity to buy a new boat. So in such a short period of time, they've come from not being in a position to buy a home to now being financially independent and got some toys along the side.
I decided I needed a bigger boat. And
Again.
It had to come down to put it on the home loan to get it in, and it's a pastime, it's a hobby. Like, it's something we do every weekend.
It's safe, it takes us to beautiful places. Like, it's good. I finally agree. It's awesome. I was with one of the other credit unions before moving to the Greater. We went and actually spoke to Michael about it, and
The Greater had way better interest rates and were more flexible.
you just felt, I suppose, recognised rather than just someone who walks in the door. It was nice, yeah.
Certainly by having your finances all in one spot. Obviously we offer a complete banking solution, but we find we're more than competitive with any lender or bank out there.
Definitely light at the end of the tunnel. Like, you'd notice each month that those figures go down, where with renting it's just figures going up that you don't get
You just don't
anything
see
back
money.
for.
Yeah.
I think the we did a moment kind of happened after we finished doing all the things we needed to do around the home to finish it off.
I suppose making it your own space, making it your own home. Like, I always thought of home as mum and dad's house, you know, always been mum and dad's. And I was only talking to mum not long ago about it's cool to come home and it's our space. Everything we love, everything we do, our little dogs, like, you know, it's just home.